Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today. So, in this video, we're going to talk about something called the TPP system. And honestly, I've been seeing this product everywhere lately. A lot of people are calling it a powerful prosperity system. Some people say it changed the way they think about money, while others are still wondering, is this actually worth it? Or is it just another overhyped online product? So in this video, I'm going to give you a simple and honest review. No fake hype. No crazy promises. Just a real overview, from a normal user perspective. Now first of all, the TPP system is not some magical, get-rich-overnight program. If you're expecting instant money with one click, this probably won't be what you're looking for. The main focus of this product is mindset, financial thinking, and personal growth. Basically, the program tries to teach people how to remove negative thinking around money and build better habits for long-term success. Inside the program, you get digital training videos, mindset lessons, and different strategies related to confidence, discipline, and financial awareness. The content is very beginner-friendly, so even if you're completely new to self-development stuff, you'll probably understand it easily. Now personally, what I liked is that the system doesn't feel super complicated. Everything is simple, slow-paced, and easy to follow. But at the same time, I do think some of the marketing on the sales page is a little too emotional. You know, those big promises about prosperity and life transformation. So I would say, go into this with realistic expectations. This is more of a motivational and mindset product, not a guaranteed income system. And honestly, that's very important to understand before buying. Now, is it a scam? From what I found, no. It does appear to be a real digital product with actual training inside. There's also a refund policy mentioned on the website, which is a good sign. But again, whether it works for you or not really depends on your mindset, consistency, and what you expect from it. If you enjoy personal development content, success mindset training, or motivational programs, then you may actually find value in it. But if you are only looking for fast money, you might end up disappointed. So overall, I'd say the TPP system is decent for beginners who are interested in self-improvement and financial mindset. Just don't expect miracles overnight. Anyway guys, that's my honest review. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews. If you are purchasing the product through the My link, send me the screenshot on my Instagram. I will give you free gift. Product link and Instagram links are provided in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.